Hi guys, welcome back to Let's Cook with Honey. So today we are going to make tiramisu cheesecake. So let's start. So we need 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to beat this on an ice bath. So we will beat this until it becomes little bit thick. Our cream is ready, set aside. 300 grams of cream cheese. We are going to beat this, and 300 grams of mascarpone cheese. If you don't have mascarpone cheese, you can make your own mascarpone cheese mixture with 7 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of sour cream and 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Mix it and set aside. That will be your substitute for mascarpone. And now I am going to add 1 and 1/4 cups of sifted icing sugar and beat again. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, set aside, and now we are going to add our whipped heavy cream into our cream cheese mixture. We are going to beat this again. Just mix this just to combine. Try not to overbeat this. This is ready, set aside. So let's prepare our coffee mixture. We need 1 cup of warm water and 2 tablespoons of instant coffee and set aside. And now we are going to take 2 tablespoons of this coffee mixture into small bowl and 1 teaspoon of gelatin and let it soak for 5 minutes. So it's been 5 minutes. Now we are going to heat this in the microwave for 30 seconds until our gelatin is dissolved. Now we have to wait until it's room temperature. This is our cream cheese mixture. So now I'm going to take out 2 tablespoons of cream cheese mixture, mix it. And now we are going to pour this into our cream cheese mixture. And we are going to beat this right away. Set aside, and now we need 8-inch spring foam pan, and I have greased and lined the sides of the pan with parchment paper. Let's start assembling our cake. I have 24 lady fingers here. We will soak each lady finger in the coffee, then place them in the pan. Sprinkle some cocoa on top and pour 1/3 of cream cheese mixture. Smooth it and repeat this layering process. Now we have to put this in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. This is the final product. If you like this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe. And enjoy!